So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do that by clicking on that subscribe button. Like, share, also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. If you're also yet to follow me on Telegram, I'll be putting the link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow me on Telegram. And if you're also interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. If you're interested, you can also subscribe to our Patreon channel. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting this week on GBP JPY. First, I'll be expecting a fall on GBP JPY. One, I'll be expecting it to this level, possibly to break this level and come to this trend line. Right now, I think on Tuesday, if I'm not wrong, we will be expecting a claim out count, right? That is like, unemployment, something like that in GBP. So it depends on how the number comes out. I don't want to predict or tell you what the numbers will be like, but the numbers will actually determine the movement. It's either we get that drop, it's that if it does not come out fine, if it comes out, probably fine, or it does not come out well, right? You might see if it does not come out well, we are very much likely to see it drop down to this trend line. Then price will start rolling up. By the way, we'll be expecting some major news on JPY on Friday, so I will be targeting it and I'll be expecting us to actually go long right that Friday because I expect kind of like the rate to actually still remain at is not negative ones, negative 10 or something like that, right? On this JPY, that will make our JPY to actually fall. So every other pairs you are trading against JPY should actually give us a bullish move. So we will be expecting a bullish move on GBP JPY. Definitely, GBP JPY we should close bullish this week. But first, we are very much likely to get a drop. Do not be deceived, right? This drop is very much likely to drop down to this trend line, even possibly breaking it down to these lows. So be very, very careful about taking your buy from this level. I mean, if you should take the buy, if you are to have take this buy, you should have taken it around this level here. So that you should have entered the long around here, or you should have gone long around this level. Taking a buy around this level is very, very dangerous because as you can see, GBP JPY is ready to fall for a correction. So probably wait for the correction to play out. Then you can now look for an entry point to go long. Where I'm going to give more updates, by the way. So if in case you are interested in more of these updates, especially if you trade GBP JPY, then you can give our 7 days free trial a chance. That will be in the comment section. So just go to the link to the Patreon channel, subscribe, for good 7 days free trial, by the way. So we're going to cover more on GBP JPY this week. So like I said again, a correction should play out before a continuous bullish move for this week on GBP JPY.